Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export code from Framer fast and easy. Now before we start, it's important to understand that Framer is primarily a design and prototyping tool, not a full code export platform. That means you can't just click export all code and get a fully deployable project. But there is a way to retrieve your design's underlying code, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1 is you're going to open your project. Open your Framer project and you're going to select the specific elements or components that you want to extract the code from. So for example, you're just going to hold the shift from your keyboard and then select all of the components that you want to get the code. Now from there, you're going to head over to the left side. So you can choose buttons, cards, or any component that uses interactions or code overrides. Now look over to the right hand sidebar and then you're going to scroll down and find the code overrides section right here at the bottom most of the page. You're just going to click on that. Then from there, you're going to click on edit code. So we're just going to click on edit code right here. And then this will open a code editor window that shows the actual JavaScript or React code linked to your selected component. Now you're just going to highlight the portion that you want. So for example, I'm just going to highlight these ones. I'm just going to hold shift and then highlight everything that I want to copy, and then from there you're going to right click on your mouse, or you can just click on the Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy everything. You can paste it directly into your preferred development environment like VS Code, React, or Next.js. If you're trying to rebuild the design for production, use the copied code logic and structure as your reference, then re-implement the UI manually. Framer's exported snippets are best used for starting point, not a final deployment ready file. And that's it. That is how you can export code from Framer quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.